My name is Shawn. My age is 9. I'm a Rainbow Busa Jaga and Malama. My school name is SJKC Kenku. Competition title is Tom&Jerry Sentosa Beach Picnic. Tom&Jerry Sentosa Beach Picnic. Sentosa Seaside. Wow, so comfortable. Jerry is sitting comfortably on a beach chair with a parasol. Tom bought some coconut water. It's very naughty and it just snatched Jerry's parasol. Tom gave Jerry a fruit cup, small umbrella, and Jerry tore Tom's clothes. Jerry ran forward quickly. Help! Jerry keep running forward. Ran to the swimming pool. Jerry quickly ran 2 laps around the pool. Tom is chasing Jerry. Tom and Jerry are exhausted and thirsty. Haha, they look at each other and become good friends again. Jerry and Tom are thirsty. Tom gives the water bottle to Jerry. Jerry picked up the water bottle and wanted to drink water. Why is there no water? Jerry saw an ice kacang car near the beach. Tom and Jerry happily eat ice kacang. My name is Shawn. The competition title is Tom and Jerry Sentosa Beach Picnic. My flow chart is start, move forward 4, loop 8, move forward 2, turn left, loop, turn left 2, move forward 4, and 2. My total of cards is 14.